Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Tuesday the 22nd of July. I'm going to move on to the euro now, and euro dollar has been in the last few minutes, in fact, just started to sell off in this trading day. The last few days have been very flat, very nondescript. I'll show you on the intraday hourly chart. There's basically no movement for the past 3 days, and then suddenly in the last few minutes the euro started to come under a bit of selling pressure once again. That's happened as the dollar has been gradually strengthening across the board that I've seen, so I'll talk about that in a bit, but certainly this euro is coming under pressure again, and that seems to be that the euro is now beginning to find that this recent bout of consolidation is ending to the downside. I said in the morning, my written morning report, that the consolidation I believed would obviously go one of two ways, and I think that would either be immediate pressure on the $1.34.75 key February low, or what I thought was going to be more likely would be just a gradual, just slight unwinding of some of this momentum that we'd seen in recent weeks. Before further selling pressure, but it seems to be that unwinding is not happening at the moment. It seems as though that the selling pressure is happening immediately, and we're getting the euro coming back for a test of that $1.35 initially, and if it breaks down that, you'd probably see it quickly down towards that $1.34.75, which is that February low, in due course. But certainly the outlook for the euro remains pretty negative. All these momentum indicators are very much in negative configuration. RSI, MACD lines especially, just unwound to that neutral point and then falling over. RSI couldn't get above 60 and then failed around that 50 level, so it just looks like it's coming back down in towards very negative momentum territory. Stochastics fairly staunchly negative there as well, so across the board you'd say that the technical indicators on the euro just favour downside. It's just whether you get any sort of rebound before the selling pressure comes back in again. I mean, ideally I'd still be looking for selling around 35.75, which is the resistance from this old band of support. But it doesn't look like we're going to be getting that, and potentially now you're looking at 35.50 as a reaction high, which was from yesterday's high. So maybe even that now is the resistance that we need to be playing with. But at the moment, certainly the momentum is certainly now, as we speak, testing that 35 big figure mark, and we'll see how that goes, but it looks like further downside in due course on the euro. So I wish you good luck in your trading on the euro today. The US housing data and inflation data this afternoon could certainly have an impact on this chart, and I think that is for later, but at the moment it certainly seems as though the impact is negative, and dollar strengthening. Okay, so I wish you good luck, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.